Hey, welcome back once again to my channel, Sisi Recipe. In today's video, guys, I will be showing you guys how I eat my white rice and my pepper sauce. Wow, look at the way it's calling my name. Oh, is it calling your name? Oh, look at the way it looks delicious. My white rice and my pepper sauce. Am I going to use knife and fork, or I'm going to use the spoon? No, I want to feel my natural taste. So let me continue. One more thing to say. This rice, I hope you guys know MUKBANgs. It's the one of the famous rice, old days rice. It's called MUKBANgs. So this is the man, the creator. So it's a famous rice and they have a nice taste. If you are not tasted it, go to anywhere in the world, anywhere you base in the world, you can find it. It's there, MUKBANgs, in Africa, in Asia, in Europe, in everywhere you can find it. Okay, so sweet and delicious. I'm using my hand, as I said before. Mm. 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 Yes, this food, when you taste it, you will know what I'm saying. Mm. My pepper. This pepper is called habanero. You know, there's different name of hot pepper. Mm. So hot. Mm. No. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm not using my spoon or my fork. Let me enjoy it. Okay. Mm. Okay. I'm really enjoying this food there. I'm enjoying it. I wish I can invite you guys to come and taste it. Mm. This fish and saltfish is great fish. Mm. the bones. I have to clean it. Mm. Gosh, I don't know what to say because if you don't test it, you don't know what I'm talking about. Just try and buy this rice, open best rice with fish and my bone meat. I'm coming for you. Very soon. I'm coming. Hmm? I can see the way you are calling my name. I'm coming. Just wait for me. Let me finish with this one. Mm. I'm still working on it. Let me drink water first. This water, the lime already there, while the ginger is there also. Okay, let me start with this. So big. Mm. Mm. I can't stop eating this rice. There's something inside here. I'm going to eat everything. The bone marrow is good for our bone. Even the doctors can recommend it for you. It's very good. Mm. Mm. The fish bone. The fish have nice taste, eh? So very nice. So spicy. There's a lot of bone with this fish. Mm. You want me to eat this also? Mm. If you want to. Mm. There's a lot to eat in this book. Mm. Guys, it was a big bone. I finished everything. But you want me to eat you, man? Hmm? You want me to eat you again? Don't worry. Let me clean you so that you'll be happy. Mmm. There's something good. There's something here to do. Now I'm done. So I hope I did a great job. A great job in my stomach. After watching the video, just leave a comment below. Any kind of food you want me to eat, just write it there. Then I will prepare it. I will eat it with my hands. So tasty. Bye bye. See you in my next video.